This video has been created to provide a comprehensive outline of the biocultural values present at Mars Creek, through communication of the site through maps and images, as well as coverage of the present biocultural values, while also addressing an assessment of the environmental and cultural impacts caused by potential construction and operation to the site. Biocultural values comprise of biological, and cultural values, the environmental and human significance within our natural environments. Biocultural values are intrinsic to the conservation and management of the environment, as well as the connection to the environment that Indigenous populations have. Understanding biocultural values in environmental management is essential towards producing effective management strategies that protect and conserve the natural and cultural spaces within an environment. As shown in the Street View map, Mars Creek is located throughout the Macquarie University campus, flowing through the campus and into the Lane Cove National Park. The land uses of the areas surrounding Mars Creek are mainly educational, due to its location within Macquarie University, as well as its flowing through transport and parkland areas as shown in the map. Vegetation surrounding Mars Creek is mainly dry sclerophyll forest, as well as small rainforest areas located towards the edge of the creek, which is located within the Lane Cove National Park. Located areas of the Aboriginal Heritage Information Management System data are identified on this map, detailing the Aboriginal sites, including important objects and places surrounding the wider area around Mars Creek and the Lane Cove National Park. The biocultural values of the site were recorded through the Biocultural Values Monitoring app created through the CyberTracker software. Recording biocultural values through the app occurred while exploring the Mars Creek site within the Lane Cove National Park. Entering the details of the biocultural values included taking photographs as well as recording descriptive analysis of the biocultural values present in Mars Creek. Throughout the Mars Creek area, an array of biocultural values were recorded, including the Sydney golden wattle, the geebung, Lomandra longifolia, potential Indigenous marker trees, areas of the Lane Cove River, a potential bandicoot burrow, a kangaroo habitat, cleomatis, a waterfall, grinding holes in rock platforms, Cassythia, and a Dianella caerulea. These biocultural values present throughout the Mars Creek area represent the importance of the natural heritage and environment found along the creek that would be impacted on by any future development to the area. Section 9.2 and 9.5 of the New South Wales Government's Review of Environmental Factors consider the biological and Aboriginal cultural heritage impacts during the construction and operation of sites within New South Wales. Under Section 9.2, potential construction and operation to the Mars Creek area would have a possible impact on the natural vegetation along the creek, affecting protected native plants around Mars Creek, such as the geebung and threatened species due to the presence of bandicoots around the creek. If activity within the area occurs, there could be a medium to high impact on the flora and fauna species found within the area, as well as the ecological communities and biodiversity surrounding the creek due to the present biocultural values. Under Section 9.5, as there are Aboriginal biocultural values within the Mars Creek area, including potential marker trees, grinding holes in rock platforms, as well as the Lomandra longifolia, a native plant used by Indigenous communities to make net bags. Activity disrupting these areas could have a high impact on Aboriginal cultural heritage, leading to conservation solutions needing to be determined to protect these sites and avoid future disturbance. The Mars Creek area has present an array of biocultural values that reflect its natural environment and Indigenous cultural heritage. These tangible and intangible values are important to how we view and manage our surrounding environments.